deeply apology
Yes,
to
we're so sorry.
US Silver Stacker. We're really sorry.
We were so
It had to come to
confused
that.
also.
Yeah, we're really confused on
thing that you need to work more on this page now.
exactly. That's we need to maneuver around. Not first giveaway.
Yes.
I would like to give this to you, US Silver Stacker. Please hi there, guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome
to our channel, Silver Fanatic.
Yes, guys. Today's video is very sad for what happened.
Yes.
On our car.
Yes.
There is a mistake that happened.
Yeah. We learn by the mistakes.
Yeah, we do learn by our mistakes.
Yeah.
There is a correction that we like to bring across to the community. We'll explain it now. We'll show it that mistake. It's due to the winning of US Silver Stacker.
Yes.
Okay. Tend to find it because there's an email that he sent us on how to properly check if a person is publicly subscribed. So the one that we knew, it's the one we always see get used on cars when people are checking if you are publicly subscribed. So that one it revealed that it's not a proper way of checking. I think YouTube has some loopholes somewhere. There are mistakes. So he guide us on how to check. I think this will help a lot of people as well. We're all learning. I think
community.
Yeah. So
we help each other.
Yeah, technology is like that, guys. Technology will bang you from wall to wall. Yeah, if you're not too careful.
You walk straight.
Yeah, and then after that you pick yourself up and walk straight. So but deeply apology to US Silver Stacker. We're really sorry.
We were so
it had to come to that.
Also.
Yeah, we're really confused on how is it, because we knew him for a very long time. So we were also puzzled by that. But he showed us a proper way of how to check. Thank you so much. But I think this will help a lot of community members. Okay, so when you are like in your channel, your channel
knows
yes,
page.
This page, everybody knows this page. We don't maneuver around too much on it. We just see here and there, and that's it. So we guide us on how to check
on this page.
On this page. So you just scroll and scroll down. When you scroll down, you'll see recent subscribers. So when you are there, say see all, you click that, and then you just click on that down arrow and say lifetime. And then when you've done that, you can scroll and then look at other people. As you can see here, we are a culprit here. It showed that we are not subscribed to him. So we'll use this feature more because we need to subscribe to this. We really didn't know about this feature, this subscription feature. We only checked the number, that's all. So now this one properly shows us that we are not subscribed to this guy. So we'll have to go to this channel and subscribe. Also this all one by the hood, all these ones with the blue. It shows when it says subscribe, it means you are not. So we've learned a lot with this mistake. Okay, mistakes happen. So with the others, we are subscribed. So we'll just check the ones with the blue and then subscribe back to them. Because and this thing happened in a funny car, a car that's supposed to bring the community together. And then
I think it's happened for a reason, for us to teach us something that you need to work more on this page now.
Exactly, that's we need to maneuver around, not be one band and just do things in one way.
It happened on the sad side, but it's also helped at the other side.
It did. It grew us as well. We know a little bit more now about YouTube. So as you can see here, guys, is Silver Stacker, October 10, 2020.
I did say that he was our
2020, long time ago. He was a subscriber, guys. So yeah, and this is really unfortunate. I don't know.
So sorry.
We are really sorry about this. Okay, maybe it's the devil works in all different ways.
Yeah.
I don't know. We're trying to do something and we
Good.
end up
And then
we end up doing the totally opposite.
How?
Because this guy was about bringing the community together. So I think fire to the devil in the name of the mighty Lord Jesus. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Silver, US Silver Stacker, we're really sorry, my friend.
Yes. So
really sorry about that. So what does that mean? It means we have two winners now. Yeah. Okay, Northern Coin still a winner.
Yes.
Please get back to us
with the address. Yes.
And now we have two winners. US Silver Stacker. Yes. We have one for you, my friend.
Send us the address.
Please send us the address. Yes. Just an apology. Just to say sorry, my friend. We're really sorry about that. God was about to bring the community together, not to tear the community apart. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you
for getting back to us and helping us. You know, technology, it's no one's friend. It's really nobody's friend. So I hope this also helped the community. They will learn a thing or two on really how to check properly. So this is for first, second. Now second was first giveaway. Yes. I would like to give this to you, US Silver Stacker. Please send us your address.
Yes, we do have your email.
Yeah. We'll pack this and send it to you, my friend. We are really sorry about what happened. Yeah. Really sorry about what happened.
Yes.
Okay.
It's coming on your way.
Yes, it's coming on your way. So we'll just play around here and then subscribe to those we haven't subscribed to.
Yes.
Because as a community, we need to grow. We all need to grow.
Everyone.
Hashtag grow together.
Everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
I think, guys, today's video was just about that.
Yes.
We wanted to correct that and apology again.
Yes,
we're learning. US Silver Stacker. Hope you accept our apology. Okay, we are learning and hope others as well pick a thing or two here. They also learn as well. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.